Okay, our next method, I'm going to show you how to use a number grid to work it out. So let's put it here. We got our 100 number square there, and let's use the same one. 36 subtract 24, because we know the answer already. We'll just look at the process now. 36 subtract 24, we'll look at the minuend here, and we know that it's 36. I'm going to circle the minuend down. The subtrahend, let's partition it to expose its expanded form, 20 plus 4. Yep, for the 24. And when you subtract, the numbers are getting smaller. So, counting in tens if you go in up and down the columns, counting in 1 if you go in left and right of the number square here. So, let's start by subtracting 4. Because it's in the ones, we're going to jump backwards because numbers are getting smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so far we're landing on 32 here. I'm going to give the tick to the 4, and I know that we're going to do our jumps of 20. I'm not going to jump 20 backwards in ones. I'm going to jump our 2 tens. So here's subtracting 10. 1 jump of 10. 2 jumps of 10. And that gives us the answer 12. Okay, the next method we can use is the number line. Right, so let's get 34 subtract 26. For this one, we know the answer to this one as well. And the number line, we are going to go down. The numbers are getting smaller, so we're always going to start with our minuend. Here it is, 34. Draw my lovely number line here all the way down, nearly straight. It's the best that I can do at the moment. And then we are going to do our partitioning. 20 plus 6 is 26, and then we're going to do our jumps. So let's remember to do our jumps of 1s and jumps of 10s. Alright, so let's do our nice big jumps first. 20. Doesn't matter which way around you're going to do it, jump of 1s or jump of 10s. I'm going to do the jumps of 10s. So that's 2 10s. So I'm going to subtract 20. I know there's 2 jumps of 10s here. So that's 1 jump of 10 and 2 jumps of 10. I've done that. Tick. It's important to label after you've done your jumps of 10s. It's important to label it just so that you can keep track of what you've done. Okay, 34. I know that I'm subtracting 10s, my 1s stay the same. Only thing that changes is the 10s. Okay, so 34, 24, 14, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to jump 6 1s here. Okay, so here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my jump of 6. And you can do 2 ways. You could count back in 1s to find out what you land on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and if you count back, remember you're starting with 14. It will tell you what number you land on. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 34 subtracts 26 is equivalent to 8. And another way you can do this is if you recognize that 6 is the same as subtracting 4 and then subtracting 2. The reason why I do that is because I want to bridge through 10. I know my number bonds, so 14 subtract 4 will get me to 10. So here's my 10 here. So 14 subtract 4 is 10, and 10 subtract 2 is 8. So you don't even need to do the steps of the ones when you're counting. Right, so that's how you can use a number line to solve subtraction. Good luck with that.